World's first airline went from Tampa to St. Pete and back across the bay. For that.
It's supposed to look like Greece, Jeff, so there's lots of picture opportunities.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's go.
When we get home to the resort, we will swim and do the arcade.
Woo-woo. We'll go check out the St. Pete Pier right here, and then we'll go to Tarpon Springs.